So you found some averages. How are you going to show them on a plot? Well, that's exactly what we're looking at today. For this example, we know that this table shows the minimum number on a piece of data, the maximum number, as well as the lower quartile, median, upper quartile. Draw a box plot for this information. Well, the first thing we need to do is plot all these numbers. Let's start with 11. So 11 would be roughly here. You guys again will have a ruler. I'm using keyboard and mouse. But we know that this is 11, right? So we can plot that like that. The lower quartile is 28. So I'll put the lower quartile, this is 25, so 26, 27, 28. This is 28 here, okay? The median is 37, okay? So let's put 37 here, okay? We'll say that's 37. The upper quartile, 42. So let's plot 42 here, okay? And then finally, we have the maximum number on this piece of data, which is 51. So let's put 51 here. Now, let's actually make it into a box plot. The important thing in the box plot is our averages, our lower quartile, median, upper quartile are in the box, right? And the lower bound and upper bound are connected via these two whiskers. Sometimes a box plot is called a box and whisker plot because of these two whiskers. And that is our final answer. Is this video helpful? Make sure you subscribe, as it only helps you guys gain access to helpful videos to aid your exam journey. Now let's look at this example where not only do we have to plot a box plot, but we also have to compare them. So we're given that the minimum is 12, the lower, median, upper quartile is 27, 35 and 42 respectively, and the maximum is 55. So let's plot that, shall we? Let's first plot the minimum and maximum, which is 12 and 55. 12 goes here. 55 is here, okay? The lower quartile is 27. So let's put 27 here, like so. The median is 35. I'm going to put the median in purple, which goes here. And upper quartile is 42. I'm going to put that in cyan as well. So that's also going to be 42. Let's box it up. And we should get this as our final diagram. Now, let's take a look at another distribution. Compare the distribution of height of Maggie's plant as opposed to Nigel's. Okay? So this is Nigel, this is Maggie. No, this is Nigel, this is Maggie. Okay, no problem. As you can tell, we can say that the plants in Maggie's garden are taller because the median is higher. However, we can also say that Nigel has the largest plot out of the two. Why? Because the maximum is here and the maximum here is 55, whereas here it's 58. Yeah? So all we're doing is we're comparing the averages, or more specifically, the median. Do you need more help with this video? Join my Discord server and ask me any questions you want with fast responses guaranteed. Now let's look at drawing a box plot from a cumulative frequency diagram. For this one, we're told the minimum is 112, the maximum is 149, right? So let's draw a box plot for the distribution. As you can see, I have put that twice, but that's okay. First and foremost, let's just put 112 and 149 because that's just free. So 112 is there, 149 is there. Now, how are we going to find the lower quartile, upper quartile, and median? We do that by looking at the graph. We know that there's 60 people, okay? Right? So the middle is going to be roughly 60 divided by 2, which is the 30th number. The 30th number corresponds to a mass of, I know it says weight, but to be all technical, it's the mass. 128 is our median. So let's put that on the box plot. Now let's look at the lower quartile and the upper quartile. The lower quartile will be roughly correlated to the 60th number divided by 4, which is the 15th. And that corresponds to a mass of 122. So let's put that on our box plot. Fantastic. And so the upper quartile, that's just going to be lower quartile times 3, which is just 45. And the 45th number corresponds to, let's go down the graph, 133. So let's go to the 133 here. There we go. And that is our box plot. We have the smallest, the largest, we have the median, the lower quartile, and the upper quartile. And that is how you plot a box plot. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video made sense. Do you guys want to pass your exams or get tutored by me? Drop me an email and we can organize a meeting and a quote. Keep on learning as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.